What is going on, guys, everybody? And in this video today, we'll be showing this printer that I got from Amazon. And yes, Amazon has sponsored this video, and I got the thermal label printer, and we're testing it out here. This is literally improved with my whatnot selling, eBay selling. It's just thrown it through the roof. It has been so much quicker, so much more efficient, and all that. The link is down below, guys. And I do, of course, have a promotion from them. Just letting you guys know that this is a promotion from them, and I do earn commission off this if you guys do purchase it. But do not let that turn you away from actually wanting this label printer. I live by this thing. I would not promote any products to you guys if I wasn't using this myself. As you can see, this is literally on my personal desk beside my original Xbox that I use every day. I'm showing you how to use this now. You can run a test print right there. Sorry for the putting down the phone. I have to kind of fix it. I'll show you how you can also put the labels in. It does come with labels. You can also buy more labels. So you just click this little button and it kind of lifts up here. As you can see, you'll set the labels across from that over that. They usually come in a pile like that, and then you'll just kind of simply click that back down, and of course it'll run a test run. It'll pull that back through, and then you can just push the button again to go ahead and run a test right there. And I will show you guys how to use this with the app that you can download that you to use this. Now, like I said, guys, I used to use my old label printer or just the regular printer we had with our old computer, and I'm gonna be honest with you, that took so much more time, hours on end almost, to print things, especially when I had a lot of sales on Whatnot or eBay for that matter. And again, guys, the link down in the description is down in the description below. So again, I literally live by this printer. So first things first, make sure you're downloading the app that comes. It doesn't exactly come with it. You have to find it. And it's called Shipper Printer Pro. It's going to look like this, and you're going to go connect it in the top right corner to the Jaden's label printer. It'll say JD for short. You can scan. I think there's a scan option with the QR code, or scanning like different things you can print off. Here we're using an image, as you saw in the first portion of the video, of Pokemon cards. And of course, I went and just cropped that. You can crop that in their special little feature there, or you can crop it how you want it, change it right there with the buttons down there. And then you just click simply the little printer icon, and it pretty much prints. And as you can see here on the next portion here, we do have it printed off. And it's very simple like that. And you do this with all your labels that you need to print for eBay, for Whatnot, anything for that matter. And that, guys, is the Jaden's label printer. I live by this, and this will help you out with your Whatnot sales, your eBay sales, or anything like that if you do a lot of shipping. Remember to like and subscribe, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.